Hey there, YouTube. Uh, this time I'm going to show you how to square numbers that end in 5. Things like what you see here, 25 squared, 65 squared, 45 squared, and so forth. The process for this is very, very simple. I don't think anyone's going to have any problems with this. All you do is you ignore the 5 right now, and you just look at the number that's in front of the 5. In this case, we have a 2 there. You take that number, I'm going to jot it on the side here, and you multiply it by this number plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is going to give us 3. So you multiply 2 times 3, and that gives you the first number of your answer. And for the rest of your answer, you just write 25 at the end. That is all you do. You take the number that is in front, bing, bing, I like my arrow. You take the number that's in front, you increase it by 1, like we did right here, and then you multiply straight down, and you stick a 25 at the end. That's it. So let's do a couple of examples. In this one, we have 65 squared. So we have 6 times 7, which we can do in our head without a problem. That gives us 42, and then we put a 25 at the end. So 4,225 is the answer for that. On this next one, we have 45 squared. So 4 times 5 is 20, and we put a 25 at the end. I bet by now you guys are already done with the rest of these, but I'll go ahead and finish up anyway. This one is a little bit trickier, not by much though. You take 9, you increase it by 1. So you have 9 times 10, which is of course 90. And then you put a 25 at the end. The pattern is always the same for all of these. So 8, you increase it by 1. 8 times 9 is 72, which gives you that, and then a 25. So 85 squared is 7,225. And for the last one here, we have 35 squared. You take the 3, increase it by 1. So you have 3 times 4, which is 12. And you stick your 25 at the end. That is all there is to it. Anytime there's a number ending in 5, it's the same pattern. If you look at my favorite party trick, you'll see that my favorite party trick uses the exact same method. For that, we do the same method, but you take the last digits and multiply them straight down. It's the exact same process on that, but I'll go into that more in the future. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope my videos help you out. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.